Why I chose to live in Red Deer, Alberta. A hidden gem in the heart of Alberta. Are you considering a move to Alberta, but not sure which city to choose? Look no further. Today, I'm going to share with you why I chose to live in Red Deer, Alberta, and why I think it's the best kept secret in the province. A central location. Located in the heart of Alberta, Red Deer is a city that offers the perfect balance of urban and rural living. With a population of just over 100,000 people, Red Deer is large enough to offer all the amenities you need but small enough to maintain a sense of community and connection. One of the main reasons I chose to live in Red Deer is its central location. The city is situated about halfway between Calgary and Edmonton, making it an ideal location for those who need to travel to either city for work or play. Plus, with its proximity to the Rocky Mountains, Red Deer is a great base for outdoor enthusiasts who love to hike, ski, or explore the great outdoors. The central location also provides a strategic advantage for business and leisure travelers. For those working in Calgary or Edmonton, Red Deer offers a more affordable housing market while still allowing easy access to the larger city's job markets and cultural amenities. Additionally, the city's location means that weekend trips to the Rockies or visits to Alberta's other attractions are just a short drive away. We spoke with a local resident, who shared with us the benefits of Red Deer's central location. "I love that Red Deer is so close to the mountains," she said. "It's easy to get away for a weekend and enjoy the beautiful scenery and outdoor activities that Alberta has to offer." A thriving economy. Red Deer has a thriving economy, with a diverse range of industries that include oil and gas, agriculture, and manufacturing. The city is also home to a number of major employers, including the Red Deer Regional Hospital and the city of Red Deer. One of the things that drew me to Red Deer was its strong economy. I was looking for a city that offered job security and opportunities for advancement, and Red Deer fit the bill. The city has a robust economic infrastructure and is known for its business-friendly environment, which includes a supportive local government and a strong network of business resources. The economic diversity in Red Deer is impressive. The city has seen growth in various sectors beyond oil and gas, including technology and innovation. Local startups and established businesses benefit from a supportive community and ample resources available through business incubators and networking groups. The presence of various educational institutions also contributes to a well-trained workforce, which further supports the city's economic development. We spoke with a local business owner, who shared with us the benefits of doing business in Red Deer. "Red Deer is a great place to start a business," he said. "The city has a strong economy and a supportive business community, making it easy to get started and grow your business. A great place to raise a family." Red Deer is a great place to raise a family, with a range of amenities and activities that cater to all ages. From the Red Deer Museum and Art Gallery to the Kerrywood Nature Center, there's no shortage of things to see and do in the city. One of the things that I love about Red Deer is its sense of community. The city has a small town feel, with a strong sense of connection and camaraderie among residents. The neighborhood parks, family-oriented events, and community centers create a supportive environment for families. There are numerous schools, both public and private, that offer quality education, and the city regularly hosts family-friendly events and activities. Red Deer also boasts a low crime rate, which contributes to the overall safety and well-being of its residents. This sense of security, combined with the community spirit, makes Red Deer an ideal place to raise children. Parents can enjoy peace of mind knowing their children are growing up in a safe and nurturing environment. We spoke with a local parent, who shared with us the benefits of raising a family in Red Deer. "Red Deer is a great place to raise kids," she said. "The city has a lot of amenities and activities that are geared towards families, and the community is very supportive and welcoming." A wide range of amenities. Red Deer has a wide range of amenities, including shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment venues. The city is also home to a number of parks and green spaces, including the popular Bower Ponds and the Red Deer River Valley. One of the things that I appreciate about Red Deer is its variety of amenities. From the essentials like grocery stores and banks to the niceties like restaurants and coffee shops, Red Deer has everything you need to live a comfortable and convenient life. The city features several shopping centers, including the Parkland Mall and the Eastview Center, which offer a range of retail options. The local dining scene is diverse and vibrant, with options ranging from casual cafes to upscale dining establishments. Whether you're in the mood for international cuisine, local specialties, or just a cozy spot for a coffee, Red Deer's restaurants cater to all tastes and preferences. Additionally, Red Deer's recreational facilities, such as the Collicutt Center and the Red Deer Arena, provide ample opportunities for sports, fitness, and leisure activities. The city's commitment to maintaining and developing its parks and green spaces ensures that residents have access to outdoor activities and relaxation spots. We spoke with a local resident, who shared with us the benefits of Red Deer's amenities. "I love that Red Deer has so many amenities," she said. "It's easy to get everything I need without having to leave the city, and there's always something new to try." Community and culture. Beyond its practical advantages, Red Deer has a rich cultural scene and a strong sense of community. The city hosts a variety of events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from local art to food and music. These events bring residents together and create a vibrant community atmosphere. The Red Deer Arts Council and various local organizations frequently organize cultural events, art exhibitions, and live performances. These activities provide opportunities for residents to engage with the local arts scene, support local talent, and enjoy a diverse range of cultural experiences. Additionally, Red Deer's cultural diversity is reflected in its community events and initiatives. The city is home to a range of cultural organizations and community groups that promote inclusivity and celebrate the various backgrounds of its residents. This diversity enriches the city's cultural fabric and fosters a welcoming environment for people from all walks of life. Outdoor activities and recreation. Red Deer's location and natural surroundings offer abundant opportunities for outdoor activities and recreation. The city's proximity to the Rocky Mountains means that residents have easy access to some of the best hiking, skiing, and mountain biking trails in Alberta. Local parks and green spaces, such as the Red Deer River Valley, provide excellent spots for walking, jogging, and picnicking. The city's network of trails and pathways encourages an active lifestyle and allows residents to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. In addition to the outdoor activities available within the city, Red Deer's central location makes it a great base for exploring other natural attractions in Alberta. Weekend trips to the nearby mountains or visits to the province's national parks are easily achievable, providing residents with endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Conclusion. So why did I choose to live in Red Deer, Alberta? For me, it was the perfect combination of location, economy, and lifestyle. With its central location, thriving economy, and wide range of amenities, Red Deer is a great place to live, work, and play. The city's welcoming community, diverse cultural scene, and abundant recreational opportunities make it an ideal place for individuals and families alike. Whether you're drawn to Red Deer's central location, its vibrant economy, or its family-friendly atmosphere, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. I hope you've learned something new and interesting about this amazing city. If you're considering a move or just curious about what Red Deer has to offer, I encourage you to visit and experience it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and blog posts about Red Deer and beyond. Leave a comment below to let us know what you thought of this video and share your own experiences or questions about living in Red Deer. Watch our next video, Exploring the Canadian Rockies, a guide to Banff and Jasper National Parks. Leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video. We hope you've enjoyed this detailed look into why Red Deer is such a special place to live. From its central location and thriving economy to its community spirit and cultural richness, Red Deer truly is a hidden gem in Alberta. Stay tuned for more content on travel, lifestyle, and everything in between. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the world around you. Thanks for watching.